Good morning. Let's talk about math on Thursday, January the 6th. We're on lesson 9.3 today. And our essential question, how do you use a centimeter ruler to measure lengths? Now, on Tuesday, when we came back to school, we practiced measuring with centimeters on our ruler. Just as a reminder, here's our ruler, and you have your other one that I made for you at home. The centimeter side is the bottom side. Remember, I call it the tire side of our ruler. Remember, we talked on Tuesday that the centimeters are smaller than the inches, and we look for the cm, and that tells us, oh, that's the centimeter side. Now, the first thing that I want for you to do is on this page, rather, because you can't come around our classroom and measure these things, well, instead, we're just going to make some lines. And I'm going to show you how I want you to make and measure a line. So in your purple box, you're going to measure a 3 centimeter line for me. So you'll take your ruler and you'll hold it with one hand. And the first thing you'll do is you'll put a dot at the 0 on the centimeter. Remember, that's not the end of the ruler. That's the first line of the ruler. That's where the lines begin. And then you're going to come to the 3 centimeters and you'll draw a dot there and then connect the two lines. And you just drew a 3 centimeter line in that box. So I'd like for you to do that at home. The second box says we have to measure a 7 centimeter line. Okay, so we'll take our ruler, we'll put it in that green box, and we're going to find the 0, and we're going to put a dot there. And then we're going to find the 7, and we're going, oops, my ruler moved, sorry about that, and put a dot there. And then we'll connect the two dots. And by putting the dot where we need to stop, that makes sure that we don't draw too big of a line and we don't go past the line that we need. In our last box, we're supposed to draw a 10 centimeter line. So we'll take our ruler and we're going to put a dot at the 0, just like that. And we'll put a dot at the 10, just like that. And then we will connect the two, just like that. And so now we've drawn a 10 centimeter line. Now the rest of this lesson involves measuring with our centimeter side of our ruler. And we were able to do this very quickly at school. Remember, we'll put the 0 at the first line, and then we measure straight across, and we see that this paintbrush is 15 centimeters. So I'm not going to do a whole lot with you on this. You will do these pages on your own at home. But if you do have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Now I do want to show you some of these extra pages that I sent home with you to practice, because these extra pages do not measure exactly. And so what you have to do is you put your 0 there at the beginning, and you see that, oh, look, it's between two numbers. It's between the 11 and it's between the 12. And the rule with Go Math is, well, let's just go with the next number, the next biggest number, and we'll say that it is about 12 centimeters. So when you measure this, you'll write your answer as 12, okay? So if you see a number in the middle, let's make our rule that we will measure to the next biggest number. If you have any problems with math, don't hesitate to reach out. Goodbye.